Of a dog. Mostly they eat dog food. They poop really stinky turds. But mostly my dogs just do whatever. They want to hang out. So they just stand on the porch and eat and chew. Sometimes they drink out of this baby swimming pool. Sometimes. Poor animal. I think they ate this animal alive. But we don't need it in our yard. So we just kick them out and stuff. Or come out here and see all kinds of stuff in this bowl. Yuck. These dogs mostly do what they have to do. Come to a campfire or to the truck. I don't know why it's in the backyard. There's a buried shotgun for some reason. And my name is Joseph Signs with you on Day of a Dog.